Hello and welcome to another Shuup video. Today we will discuss shipping methods. Let's start as a customer. Once we want to buy an item online and proceed to checkout, we will be offered a shipping method. When we are talking about multi-vendor platforms, you might have several shipping options there. For example, free shipping for orders over $100, express shipping, and so on. We, as a multi-vendor platform, make it possible for shop owners and vendors to create their own custom shipping methods or integrate with existing multi-vendor shipping solutions like Shuup. Let's see how it works from the admin side. Let's log in as a vendor. From here, we go to Shops, Shipping Methods. Here you can see all shipping methods that your vendors have and add your own. Just click New Shipping Method. As a shop owner, you can provide your own custom shipping methods to cover your shipping expenses during checkout. But if you want estimates directly from the carrier, you can use Shuup's API integration with Shuup. See our video on Shuup integration for more information. Your vendors can create their own shipping methods as well. Let's log in as a vendor. From here we go to Shipping, Shipping Methods. Here we already have one shipping method, manual shipping. Let's see what information we have there. You assign a carrier, service, write a name, short description. You can provide a logo, tax class, and labels. Let's go to behavior. Here you can assign behaviors to each shipping method we have. Click to see our short videos on each behavior to learn more about them. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your project manager. Visit our website shuup.com or find us on social media. Check out our social media links in the description of the video below.